Welcome to this educational series on Snowflake. Let's begin with Snowflake fundamentals, where we will cover some key concepts and overview of Snowflake. So, what is Snowflake and what can it help us with? Now, Snowflake is known as an AI data cloud, which brings together internal and external data sets and applications that make use of them, including AI in a significant way. Now, typically in any organization, they have number of internal data sets which typically reside in different systems like enterprise applications such as ERP, SCM, OLTP databases for billing, SaaS applications like CRM, IoT platforms, clickstream analytics platforms, and so on. Similarly, there are external data sets which these organizations require from their partners, suppliers, customers, or external agencies in the industry ecosystem. They might also have to provide some of this data to these external parties. Now, typically, all this data resides in different systems or what we call as silos. As a result of that, it becomes difficult to get value out of this data and make use of these for different business requirements and use cases. With help of Snowflake, we can bring all of these data sets together, make these available to applications, and even run some of these applications. How does Snowflake do that? So let's look at what Snowflake is and how does it help us do that. So Snowflake helps us achieve this as an advanced data and AI platform, which is highly scalable, highly elastic, and very robust. It lets us store data from all these different systems which we just talked about, bring them together, and run various workloads such as AI, analytics, data processing, and application on those data sets. The Snowflake instances are available across multiple public cloud regions in the world and connected to each other, which helps us collaborate and share this data with external parties along with our internal data sets. Snowflake is provided as a self managed service in the cloud so that you can focus more on the business outcomes and less on managing underlying platform. Snowflake is a single platform where we can run multiple workloads around data and AI. We can store the data, process it, and analyze it as a data warehouse, data lake, lakehouse, or even as a hybrid data store, which is combination of OLTP and OLAP. So Snowflake supports all these patterns or architectures of keeping data in a single place, processing and analyzing it. Now, this data, once it comes together, can be used for various purposes and workloads. For example, we can run data engineering workloads, which can take the data from a raw form and make it usable for final business outcomes, or from a raw to a curated state through various layers or zones. We can run AI and ML workloads for generative or predictive use cases, business intelligence, or any other data applications and use cases to generate insights such as customer 360, predictive maintenance, fraud detection, customer churn, and so on. This platform is highly scalable and elastic. We can scale it to as much as we require, do it instantly. It is very easy to use and far more flexible than traditional data platforms available in the market. Let's look deeper into what Snowflake platform is and its architecture.